Hello, in this video I am going to discuss with you some shortcuts. So more specifically one shortcut which is ctrl D, and this essentially tells bash that there is no more input. So if I press ctrl D, what happens? It shuts it down. So you might be thinking, if you watch the video on how to log out of bash, what's the difference between that and this? Well, that will also, that's purposely for exit. So if I type something in, maybe I'm starting to type in cd something, and now if I press control D, it doesn't do anything. Control D doesn't do anything. So it actually gives the response of end of file, and in terminal's case, if there's nothing there, end of file means basically shut down the actual file. So what's useful? That's useful, for example, if you are modifying some text, for example, in the terminal, and it just needs to, maybe you need to put an end of file character, you could use that. So control D tells bash essentially that there is no more input. So it's only useful at the start of when input is expected. So for example, imagine if you created an application essentially, and the application is run to constantly, ask you for numbers. So maybe you have to put numbers in. Obviously, this isn't doing anything, but imagine if this is your application and you just have to keep typing in the numbers, keep typing in the numbers. Then, if you finished, you can just press Control D, and then that would not exit terminal, but just stop that little section and continue with the rest of bash instead of exiting in the entire bash system. So that's it for this shortcut. Any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.